In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore deleted items in Clickup. Navigating the world of digital workspaces can sometimes lead to accidental deletions, but don't worry. In Clickup, you have a straightforward process to retrieve those items you've unintentionally removed. Let's dive into it. First, let's talk about accessing the trash. The trash is where your deleted items go to rest for a temporary stay of 30 days, after which they'll be permanently deleted. To access this handy feature, you'll want to start by navigating to either your workspace settings or account settings. You can usually find these by clicking on your profile avatar, typically located at the bottom left of your ClickUp interface. Once you click on your avatar, you'll see a drop-down menu or a sidebar depending on your settings. From there, select Trash. This will take you to the holding area where all your deleted tasks, lists, folders, and spaces await Judgment Day or restoration. Now that you're in the trash, it's time to locate the specific item you want to bring back to life. Browse through the list, or if you're seriously looking for something specific, use the search function to make this process quicker. This is especially handy if you're dealing with a large volume of deleted items. Look carefully for the task, list, folder, or space that you want to restore. Once you've found the item you're looking for, it's time to restore it. To do this, click on the ellipsis, those three dots that appear to the right of the item. Clicking this will give you a small menu of options related to the item. From these options, you'll choose Restore. This action will bring your chosen item back to its previous location in your ClickUp workspace. A couple of important notes to keep in mind during this process. First, remember that deleted items stay in the trash for only 38 seconds. After that, they're gone for good, and restoring them won't be possible. So make sure to act within this time frame if you wish to recover something. Also, be aware of your permissions. Workspace owners and admins have the unique ability to restore deleted spaces within those 30s. They can do this along with any workspace members who originally created and deleted the space, but crucially, when it comes to attachments, keep in mind that deleted attachments generally can't be recovered. So, approach deletions with care and ensure you're not removing anything critical by mistake. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to navigate ClickUp's trash to recover any deleted items. This feature is a lifesaver, ensuring that your hard work doesn't disappear due to an accidental click. Thank you for watching, and happy organizing in ClickUp.